In this video, I will discuss about what is parser, then types of parser. What is parser means? The parser is the second phase of the compiler. Parser is a second phase of compiler, okay, which is used to check the user program is correct or wrong. Okay, that means the user return program syntax is correct or wrong for further process. That is the main use of parser. Okay, so here how the parser is used to check the error, then what all the types are available. So that is the topic. So what is parser means? Parser is a program which is used to check the user return program syntax is correct or wrong. Okay, so for checking the user program we are having a kind of parser. So what all the parsers are available means we are having two kind of parser. Parser is classified into two. The first one, top down parser. Second one, bottom up parser. Top down parser and bottom up parser. Okay, so what is top down, what is bottom up means? While error checking, where we have to start our process, where we have to stop our process. So that is a question mark. If we are choosing a top down parser means here the parser checking process starts from procedure. Starts from procedures or rules. Procedures or rules or context-free grammar. Okay, so using the procedure, rule or context-free grammar, okay, if we start our process to check whether the user program is correct or wrong, okay, then finally we reach output. Okay, output in the sense context-free grammar to output. It's accepted, not accepted. The string or syntax written by the user is accepted, not accepted means that kind of parsing is called as top down parser. Top down parser. Okay, in bottom up parser it's a reverse order. Okay, here start with output or terminal symbols. Okay, terminal symbols or program. Okay, so here start with this thing, then we are working towards to reach procedure or rule or context-free grammar. Finally we have to reach these things means that is called as bottom up parser. Okay, I am repeating here the parser is used to check the user return program syntax is correct or wrong. Okay, in what way we can check the user return program syntax is correct or wrong means here we can use either top down parser concept or bottom up parsing concept. Okay, so what is top down, what is bottom up means here using rules or procedure or context free grammar we are checking the user program is correct or wrong. Okay, then finally we reach is it's correct means that kind of order is called as top to bottom. Okay, top to bottom. Top is rules. Okay, bottom is the string is accepted or the program syntax is accepted or not. Okay, so that is top to bottom approach. Okay, in reverse order is called as bottom up approach. Okay, so what role how we have to check the program using top down, then how we have to check the program using bottom up parser. Okay, then what all the things comes under top down, what all the things comes under bottom up parser. Okay, I will see in the next video. Thank you.